Good morning, class. Welcome to our lesson in TLE 7 for the fourth quarter, Lesson 3, Week 3. Our topic today is about hand tools. Content standards. Demonstrate an understanding of the uses and maintenance of hand tools, power tools, instruments, and equipment. Performance standards. The learners perform mensuration and calculations following safety precautions. Learning, competencies, and objectives. Learning competency. Identify the uses and maintenance of hand tools, power tools, instruments, and equipment. Learning objectives. 1. Differentiate the hand tools, power tools, instruments, and equipment. 2. Identify and classify the common hand tools, power tools, instruments, and equipment used in industrial arts. 3. Explain the uses and characteristics of each tool, instrument, and equipment. Let's have a short review. I read and I guess. Think about the name of the feedback. What tools you have already used and experienced. Share your personal stories about how you use the tool. Content vocabulary. Hand tools. These are simple tools you use with your hands, usually not powered. Power tools, a tool powered by electricity. Hydraulic tools are operated by fluids such as water or oil under pressure. Pneumatic tools are operated by air under pressure and are very powerful. Hand tools play a vital role in everyday activities. Throughout history, individuals have relied on them to perform various practical tasks. Numerous hand tools are available, each serving a specific purpose. It is essential to have a good understanding of their proper usage to achieve optimal results. Neglecting to use these tools correctly can lead to mistakes and accidents. Therefore, craftsmen must choose the right tools for the job. Hand tools classifications. Hand tools can be categorized into various groups, each serving specific purposes. Consequently, these groups are utilized in different situations and for other tasks. Here are some prevalent classifications you may encounter regarding hand tools. 1. Holding tools, bench vise, pipe vise, with lathe machine, clamps. 2. Driving tools, hammers, rubber mallets, and screwdrivers. 3. Measuring tools, push-pull tape, caliper, ruler, measuring wheel, meter stick, wire gauge. 4. Guiding tools, plumb bob, level hose. 5. Tooth cutting tools, handsaw, hacksaw, coping saw. 6. Marking tools, pencil, chalk line reel, divider, scratch awl. 7. Edge cutting tools, chisel, planes, focacciave. 8. Boring tools, gimlet, bradawl, hand drill. 9. Gripping and squeezing tools, pliers, vice grip, wrenches. Different types of hand tools. 1. Hammer. Hammers are versatile tools with a metal head for striking force and a handle for gripping and control. They are essential for driving nails, shaping metal, and breaking objects apart. Claw hammer, most used for driving and removing nails. Ball peen hammer, for peening rivets and shaping metal. Sledgehammer, heavy-duty hammer for more significant tasks. 2. Screwdrivers. Screwdrivers are hand tools with a handle and a shaft ending in a tip, designed to fit into the head of a screw to turn it. They come in various types and sizes, each suited for specific screw head types and applications. They are used for driving or removing screws. Flathead, for slotted screws. Phillips, cross-shaped, for Phillips screws. 3. Wrenches. It comes in different types, including open-end, box-end, and adjustable wrenches, each tailored for specific tasks and fastener types. They are used to turn nuts, bolts, and other fasteners. Open-end and box-end wrenches, for nuts and bolts. Adjustable wrench. Jaws can be adjusted for various sizes. 4. Calipers. Adjustable jaws for measuring internal and external dimensions. It is used for precise measurement of physical dimensions. Vernier caliper offers precision measurements. Digital caliper provides digital reading. 5. Precision screwdrivers. Small-scale screwdrivers, often with a revolving top for ease. It is often used in working with tiny screws, often in electronics. Flathead, Phillips, and Torx, available in much smaller sizes. 6. Riveters. A hand tool used to apply rivets. It is used for joining two pieces of metal or other materials. Hand riveter. Manual tool requiring physical force. 7. Handsaw. Are used to cut pieces of wood into different shapes. This is usually done in order to join the pieces together and carve a wooden object. Rip saw, crosscut saw, combination rip and crosscut saw, hacksaw, coping saw. 8. Pliers. Pliers are hand tools with two levers joined at a fulcrum, featuring jaws or pincers at one end and handles at the other. They are used for gripping, bending, cutting, and holding objects. Pliers come in various types, such as needle nose, cutting, and locking pliers, each suited for specific tasks and materials. It is commonly used to grip and twist wires, bend metal components, hold objects firmly in place, and cut wires or cables. 9. Digital tape measures. A type of tape measure with digital display, often with memory functions. It is used for measuring distances with digital readout. 10. Laser levels. Project a laser line to establish straight and level lines. It ensures straight and level lines for construction. 11. Digital multimeters. It measures voltage, current, resistance, etc. It is used for testing and troubleshooting electrical components. Group activity. Think of at least 5 hand tools commonly used in carpentry/masonry and electrical work in your household, and present the uses of each tool. Lesson activity. Family tools. Word search. Instructions. Find the following words in the puzzle. Use a ball pen or pencil to encircle or a highlighter to highlight the word.